Ever wondered why your dog spins around before settling down? We're all familiar with these quirky canine behaviors, but have you ever stopped to ponder the reasons behind them? Prepare to have your mind blown as we dive into the fascinating world of dogs and uncover some surprising truths. From their intriguing bedtime rituals to their incredible sensory abilities, we'll explore the top 10 facts that make dogs so unique. Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey through the 10 most intriguing and hilarious facts about our loyal companions. Starting at number 10, ever noticed your dog spinning around before settling down for a nap? It's not just a canine quirk. This behavior can be traced back to their wild ancestors who needed to pat down tall grass or scare off any lurking bugs. It's like their version of fluffing a pillow. And hey, some of us do a little shimmy before we get comfy in bed, right? So, next time you see your dog doing a little dance before bedtime, you'll know they're just checking for predators. Moving on to number 9, did you know dogs can tell time? Yep, you heard that right. Dogs have a surprisingly accurate internal clock. They can predict routine events such as feeding, walks, and even the return of their favorite humans from work. This uncanny ability stems from their sharp understanding of the passage of time. So it's not just their stomachs guiding them. So yes, your dog really does know when it's dinner time, and it's not just because they're always hungry. At number 8, here's a sweaty fact. Dogs only have sweat glands in their paws. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike humans who sweat all over, dogs have their sweat glands confined to their paws. This is why you often see them panting on a hot day. Panting helps dogs cool down as they can't sweat through their skin like us. It's their personal air conditioning system, so those wet footprints your dog leaves are not just water, it's doggy sweat. Coming in at number 7, dogs dream just like us. Our furry pals don't just snooze, they dream too. Research suggests that dogs have similar sleep patterns and brain activity as humans when they're in dreamland. Pooches, like people, go through stages of sleep including REM. The stage associated with dreaming. Just imagine, your dog could be dreaming about fetching balls, running in the park, or even that juicy steak you had for dinner. So, when you see your dog twitching in their sleep, they might just be chasing a squirrel in their dreams. For number 6, did you know a dog's nose print is as unique as a human fingerprint? That's right. Each pooch possesses a distinct pattern of ridges and creases on their snouts, making their nose prints one of a kind. Just like humans are identified through their fingerprints, dogs can be identified through their nose prints. Some pet insurance companies even consider nose prints as a reliable form of identification. So, next time you see a dog, remember, they've got their own special brand of ID. Who knew our canine friends have their own version of fingerprints? Halfway through at number 5, a dog's sense of smell is 1,000 times stronger than ours. This superpower allows them to detect certain diseases in humans, and even locate missing persons. Their noses are so finely tuned, they can distinguish between countless different scents, from their favorite chew toy to the faintest trace of a critter in the yard. Dogs' scent detection abilities are so remarkable, they're employed in search and rescue missions, law enforcement, and even airport security. No wonder they can always find the hidden treats. At number 4, contrary to popular belief, dogs don't see in black and white. That's right. This common myth has been debunked by scientists who say dogs actually see in shades of blue and yellow. Picture viewing the world through a sepia filter that's closer to a dog's perspective. They may not be able to see the full rainbow of colors like us, but their world isn't just shades of gray. So your dog can appreciate the color of their favorite toy, just not in the same way we do. At number 3, a dog's whiskers are touch-sensitive hairs called vibrissae. These whiskers are packed with nerves at the base, making them incredibly sensitive to even the slightest changes in air currents. They help our canine friends navigate their world, especially in the dark, and detect nearby objects or dangers. They can even sense the size and shape of objects close to their face, so these vibrissae are like little radar detectors, helping dogs understand their surroundings. Those whiskers are not just for looks, they're high-tech sensors. Nearly there at number 2, smaller dog breeds tend to live longer than larger ones. It's quite a twist in the tale, isn't it? You'd think that those towering Great Danes or burly St. Bernards would outlast the little Chihuahuas or Dachshunds. But the reality is quite the opposite. Studies show that smaller breeds often live into their mid-teens, while larger breeds may only reach around half that age. So while the big dogs may look tough, the little ones are the real survivors. And finally, at number 1, dogs actually do love their humans. This isn't just an interpretation of their tail-wagging enthusiasm. Scientific studies have shown that dogs release the hormone oxytocin, often associated with love and bonding, when interacting with their human companions. They express this affection through actions like cuddling, following you around, and even making direct eye contact. These are all signs of genuine canine love, so when your dog showers you with affection, they really do love you. There you have it, folks, the top 10 most intriguing and funny facts about dogs, from their amusing pre-sleep spins to their uniquely identifiable nose prints. We've learned about their keen sense of time, their super-powered smell, and even their dreamy sleep. We've discovered their whiskers' sensitivity, their distinct vision, and their sweat glands. Let's not forget their surprising lifespan and their unending love for humans. Remember these facts the next time you look at your furry friend and appreciate the wonder that is man's best friend.